here, getting my stuff on, and boom, he hammers. I mean, you can see the tree line.
Oh, just right there?
It's like, gosh darn, he's close.
Really? Gotcha.
So, which I hunted all back in the back, didn't see nothing.
Shed some light on the situation. There we are. Ooh. Morning.
It's early.
Yeah, it is. All right, I'm out here with Brian this morning. He and I hadn't hunted together this year, so he gave me a buzz and said that he's got a bird out here pretty regular that's been gobbling on a piece of property he's got permission on. So, and he likes to gobble a lot.
Yeah.
So,
or he has.
Yeah, we'll see if history repeats itself this morning. I've showed up, so it'll probably change. So we're gonna get back in here pretty early and see if we can slip pretty close to where he's been roosting. Catch you guys when it starts breaking day. Got one over here, got one pretty close. Closer than we wanted. But he's gobbling sparingly, so we'll see. Yeah, that's a hen clucking or something over there to your left. I just heard it again, didn't you? Yeah, she's calling. She's not that far. Just be watching. I just heard him pitch down. Something's going on, just put it down. I think it was him. Yeah, he's on the ground right there. No, he's just straight down your barrel. He's got to be close, Brian. There she is, yep.
She probably flying to him, isn't she?
Yep, fine. Be watching. I'm not gonna go. Yeah. Hopefully she pitches down. He may still be up in the tree, I don't know. Come on, girl. There she goes. She's fixing to take off. Come on. There we go. Come on, fly to you, turkey. Now, if she flies down to our left, it's game over as long as he comes up that hill. That Drummond's getting closer. Closer, isn't it? Be ready. That's what I'm thinking. That's what I'm thinking. Yeah, I just saw him. Yep, right in the road. You see his head? No, no. I assume that was him. That's him. He's right down your barrel. He's literally right down your barrel. He's got to be in the road. He's in that road. He's definitely closer. Yeah, I mean, he's got to be right there. Come on, buddy. There, he's close, Brian. That's the closest he's been. No, I think it's straight down your barrel. I think you're good. Did she? Oh, she's walking a limb. Same spot. Yeah.
He's close though.
Yeah.
Yeah, the tree back there.
Where at? Down the hill.
Kind of flew like diagonal
Okay. Away from us.
towards like where we walked in.
Gotcha. You don't think it was him? Oh, we know he flew down. There she goes. Dang it.
Yeah, that's where that flew to. Was right
That sucks. She's gonna go. She landed another freaking down. She kept going.
she in the field.
She flew all the way to it. I don't doubt. Well, thus far we've been whooped. forgot where we walked in from. We obviously didn't spook him, but because it was way before light when we come in. But anyway, he had pitched over in a tree next to us. She started yelping, and she was just tree jumping back and forth. At one point, she was pointed towards us, and then she pointed away. He hit the ground. We saw him fly down, gobbled quite a bit, and then just waited. Brian told me just a minute ago he saw another bird over to the right of where we were set up that pitched down. Looked like she pitched towards the field, maybe. And then he gobbled one more time. And then she, the one right above us, glided all the way down, a couple hundred yards,
straight
into that field. So I'm going to guess that our boy's down there showing off right now.
Yeah.
So we'll slip down here and see if we can maybe get a look at that field. Alright, a little update. I'm trying to sneak out of here, but there's a turkey between me and where I need to get out of here. They went down in this field, and Brian and I are going to slip over this little knoll and see if we can get close. These turkeys are out here in this field. Brian's trying to sneak over here to get a shot. It's super thick, really thick. I'm not sure the camera's going to pick this up. Turkey is right there. It's trying. Right behind her. Right there. He's coming. Let him get up here. Hey man, good job.
another one on the ground.
Yeah, we slipped up in here inadvertently. May have walked like right above him, 50 yards above him, one little logging road. Brian said he'd been roosting on further back, so that's where we expected him. But we got in here early enough that didn't really spook him. Gobbled good on the limb. We had a hen fly up there and sit above us, sit in the penthouse
20, 30
for
minutes, yeah.
20 or 30 minutes. Eventually, you said you saw another hen or two.
I saw more turkeys fly
sure
down
enough,
this way.
The way this opening runs right here, it's kind of a choke point right here. I told Brian, I said, I got to get to work. I said, let's go for broke. And anyway, we swung around here. There's a bunch of briars and stuff that Brian was up in. It was just enough cover for us to get in here without them kind of seeing us, because if you look down through there, like, it's wide open past that. So makes it easy when you got 3 or 4 girlfriends dragging them along, and you're in the point of destination. So anyway, well, man, we've had a great run. How many years we've been hunting together?
Oh gosh,
20 plus probably,
I
20
have no
anyway,
idea.
something like that. So
I don't know how many turkeys we've killed together, but
been a bunch. So I always enjoy it when you call me. We get to go and make it a tradition. So anyway, thanks for inviting me.
Yeah, thanks for coming. Appreciate it.